a night full of wishes. Stars align, they sense control kisses. Market Street divas in turn for the product. They struggle the lifestyle from the highest. Some live according to Marvin Gaye's vinyl. Skytop lofts are still next to these projects. In a town full of sin with the keepers. Round the corner is the angels and the reapers together. Young hitters, call them killers. Living how they feel just to read the next meal. X on the money of the riches. And it goes for those who classify themselves with the vintage. And they all showed up urban outfitted. Square ducktail fashionista for my knitted. Turntable turns as the gun pops. Don't let the fun rock. This is thoughts of the young man at the bus stop.
I used to be at the bus stop chilling with the punk rocks. You can hear the bass in the street knock. Red in my veins, gold under my streets. And the wheels on the bus go round and round. The smoke goes up and the ashes go down. Our heads up even when the girls go down. And even when it rains the clouds can't frown. I'm headed to the bus stop with a jazz sound. As I lift the G-Shock from your wrist, I take time to swim what the blind man sees. Waterproof your watch for slippery young thieves who lick shots of broken.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that wanna know what we're all about, it's like this, yo. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach. And now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% beer, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verses, dude, is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist. Porcupine, he's a prick, he's a cock. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's